Hi, and welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to be learning about the notes on our piano, specifically white keys. So if you don't know what keys are, there are groups of white keys and black keys. We're going to be looking specifically at the names of the white keys today. Now before we actually start doing that, the first thing to know is your music alphabet. Now the music alphabet, very similar to the normal ABCs, is going to have the same letters, but stops at G to start over at A again. So what I mean by that is it starts at A. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's 7 letters. Okay. After I get to G, I would go back to A again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So just over and over and over again, it'll repeat that process. Depending on your piano, you would be able to start on a specific key, which we'll learn about finding in a second, and then keep going up until you run out of letters, essentially, in that alphabetical order. Okay? So on a full-size 88-key piano, the very first key is always going to be A. And yes, you could, go up A, B, C, D, E, F, G until you find the key that you're looking for, but that's a very long process. So something we actually want to pay attention to is the groups of black keys. These are a dead giveaway for essentially any white key's name. So if you look very closely, ignoring the one black key by itself over here, the black keys are in groups of 2 and then 3, alternating. Okay, and that goes all the way over here where we end on another group of 3. So when we look at the keys and we see those groups, we're going to use the relationship of the white keys to those groups to find the letter names. So we're going to start with C because C is very commonly the starting point for a lot of people playing piano. So if we find a group of 2 black keys, any group of 2 black keys, okay, so I just found all of them. If I find any group, the white key to the left is C. Alphabetical order would tell me the white key in the middle is D, and the white key to the right is E. And this is true for every set of 2 black keys. C is going to be to the left, D in the middle, E to the right. So here are all my CDEs. Now on an 88-key piano, there is one C that does not follow this rule, and that is because we literally just ran out of keys to put on, so the last key would actually be a C as well. And if there were black keys, you would have seen a group of 2 there, but we ran out of keys. So that's how we would find C, D, and E. So remember, the alphabet's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, right? So we have C, D, and E, right? So we got the 3 in the middle. We still need A, B, and then we need F and G. Those are all going to be around the groups of 3 black keys. Again, you can find all those groups. Now, if we remember, E was to the right of 2 black keys, so the next key should be an F. So that means the key to the left of 3 black keys is going to be F. The key in the left middle of the 3 black keys is G. The key in the right middle of the 3 black keys is A, because remember, in the music alphabet, after we get to G, we just start over at A again. And then to the right of the group of 3 black keys, we would have our B note. And this should be proven by us landing on a C, which is to the left of 2 black keys, which in case it was. So here we have F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B. Now I said that was F, G, A, and B. Now again, there are 2 notes here that don't follow that pattern, and it's because we ran out of keys over here. So if we see this as a 2 alternating, this would have been a set of 3, but we only get 1 black key here because we ran out of piano. So this would be our A, and this would be our B, and we know that because we should be landing on the left of 2 black keys, which would be C. Okay? So let's go ahead and review all those notes real quick. I'm going to start at C and work my way up back to C. C is to the left of 2 black keys. D is in the middle of 2 black keys. E is to the right of 2 black keys. F is to the left of 3 black keys. G is the middle left of 3 black keys. A is the middle right of 3 black keys. Then B is to the right of the 3 black keys, which brings us back to C at the left of 2 black keys. Now to practice this idea, you can go through and quiz yourself. I'm going to play all the C's, for example. Don't forget that last one over here that we ran out of piano for. So that's a good way to quiz yourself and work on it. You can just review this video, you can take notes, draw diagrams for yourself. All those things will help you remember where the keys are. And this is very important because when you get into reading sheet music, you'll learn the difference between all the C's, the differences between all the A's. And it's all about placement and tonal range, okay? Hopefully you found this video helpful and you learned something from it today. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.